you, Jesus, for rising today so we can have a Sunday roast and Easter eggs.
What are you doing?
So it is Easter Sunday, guys.
Yes.
Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our Lake District content.
Today we are going to a place called Aira Force. Aira Force.
Aira Force.
Yes. So it is waterfall based walk.
And it is a waterfall. I swear it is today. It is a waterfall. So it's on Ullswater. So we're going back to where we did our fell last time, Helen Fell. But this is another part of the lake, and we are going to the waterfalls. It's going to be a bit of a chilled one today. There is still like inclines because it is a massive waterfall, and you could go all the way to the top. So there will be some climbing. I am very sore today.
But we'll be fine. We'll smash it. It's going to be a nice day today by the looks of it.
It's very sunny, which
Already.
makes me think, oh God, it's going to be busy. But hey ho, we're part of the tourism here, so we're going to go out, get some fresh air, and then at Pooley Bridge, we're going for our Easter Sunday
roast.
I'm so excited.
Before we begin, don't forget to, of course, like, subscribe, ding that notification bell to be notified whenever we do videos. Make sure you check out our Lake District content that's before this. We also have another playlist from last year, and we've got one more video coming out after this.
So we've packed our provisions, our little snicky snacky snooze for when we're at the waterfall. So shall we get on the road and go to Aira Force?
Okay.
We're here.
We are here. Sort of.
We've made a very big error.
Yeah.
Number one, we've come on Easter Sunday. Number two, we've come too late.
Yes.
About 10:30.
It's about 11 o'clock now, but it's about 10:30 when we got here. The bottom car park was completely and utterly full. So we've come up to the top car park, which was almost completely full, bar about one maybe spot which we took. The problem was that the payment system, no cards, is either you pay by the app or you pay in coins. Obviously we don't have coins. Who has coins these days? And the app was a struggle to get hold of because there's no signal up here.
No signal, and that's the reason why they don't take cards up here, because they haven't got enough signal for you to do card payment.
Which begs the question, how do you do the phone version? So
we were panicking. I had to wander around. I literally got 1 bar of 4G, got the app, paid for it. I put as much as I could on the card. It was like £9.10. We didn't need that much, but I panicked. It's now dangerously round where people are parking on the street. Yeah, they're blocking people in. It's not a good start.
No,
to a relaxing day.
No, but we just saying that to let everybody aware, if they ever do decide to Aira Force, make sure you come early and make sure you have coins or the app ready to go, just in case.
Pay for it before you get here.
Yeah.
Could you just put the code in and then you're paid before you get here?
Yeah.
So that's a top tip. Before you set off, pay before you get here, decide on your car park, if it's full, it's full, but it's better than having the stress of
trying to find a
yeah
signal. But yeah, so we're gonna have to go from basically top to bottom and then back up. Yeah, and then back up again. So
we're going to
slight
try
change.
and film as much as we can. It is really busy, and I'm really disappointed. I mean, we're part of it. We're part of it. We're part of the tourism. So, but yeah, I'm hoping we can get some good footage. But it is very busy.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go and take it for what it is.
We should try our best.
Lovely day though.
It is a lovely day.
That's why everyone's
here.
out.
Yeah.
I haven't got splinters in my bum today.
Yes. Yesterday you had splinters in your bum from sitting on a bench for half an hour.
Yeah, so I was being pricked in the arse. Hey up.
And you had some splinters.
I've got a feeling that's...
I mean, it might be.
Because that's where Glenriddin is.
Yeah.
Came round the corner, and I remember that ridge
Peeled,
behind it.
peeled round. Yeah.
I think that's Helen Fell.
It could be. Anybody wants to see us go by Helen Fell, make sure you check out our vlog.
It looks big from here.
It does, doesn't it?
Bloody hell.
And there's a waterfall.
I promised you, didn't I?
Proper waterfall. I want to go in. He's going in. Don't give a shit. Come on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Roots.
By Pint. This is the highest one.
Yeah.
It's not the only one.
there 3 in total? 3 big ones in total?
I think the one at the bottom has got like a bridge over that you can look at, but this
Yeah.
I think this is one of the smaller ones. Yeah, very beautiful, very busy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite busy, guys.
I think what I will take from it is just wait your turn, don't be rude.
Yeah, just take your time, all the time in the world.
Let people take their photos, don't get in people's photos just to get a photo, just
Wait.
courteous, be kind. But this is beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Waterways. You paddling? Oh, onward. Bit of a walk to the next bit, isn't it?
I don't think you can cross there.
Don't know, go down there though, if you want.
Can you go down?
Yeah, come on. How deep?
It's okay for me, I don't know if you really...
Full.
Oh, that is very pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Completely missed that. Completely missed it, but you nearly went.
I nearly shit myself then.
You nearly went in.
Oh dear.
You were nearly going to go flat on your ass.
And now I've got DJ as well.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks hard to dip your feet in. You alright?
Yep.
Oh. Whoa. Oh my god, it's like a ravine. Please be careful. Whoa. Oh, don't like that.
What?
That's very high. It goes all the way down there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sit back here. Sit here.
Sit
Sit down.
Oh, I can't even see the bottom.
So this massive waterfall goes all the way down. All the way down there. Which I can't quite see the bottom of, but then it's like a canyon. Goes all the way down to the next one over there. Made you go a bit funny, a bit jelly-legged.
Yeah, I just looked over, I was like, that's not the bottom. I just went, oh.
There's another little bridge over there, looks of it. Look at that. Yeah, it's the next waterfall. That canyon goes from that other one all the way down here, look.
You can see the bottom of this.
Yeah. Right, so I think this is the bridge we're going on when we go back up, but I'll get a view now when there's not many people in it.
I don't like this.
You don't like it? No, not a fan. On the other side.
I want to get off.
You want to get off?
Yeah.
Do you? Okay. You should get jelly legged.
A little bit.
D road.
It's a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. Not even a cloud, I don't think. So yeah, you come away from that big open space over there, which I think we're going back to later, and we head down this way by the looks of it. I wanted waterfalls. And I got waterfalls.
Promised you, didn't I?
I promised you waterfalls. She's in. Look at a bit. The road.
Yeah,
It was a warm day.
it's lovely. I mean, not scalding hot. There's still a little bit of a coolness, but
Yeah.
lovely. A lovely day.
One cloud. There's one cloud in the sky.
One cloud.
One lone cloud. I've seen a couple of people go for a couple of dips.
Yeah, that lady over there. I wish I could do that. I really want to go for a little dip. Cold mine though.
The boys, Luke and his mates said that when they did what's the Welsh?
Snowdonia.
Snowdonia. They said they went up there and they went into a couple of cold pools in there.
Yeah.
And they said it was really, really good.
Yeah,
Because it was nice
refreshing.
enough, those dry off.
Yeah.
Half an hour and they're off again.
Yeah,
It
cooled you
looked really
down.
nice. Jelly legged again. We're going up. Up. I thought we were going down. Oh, is that the bridge? Wow. There's another one down there. Look at that. See them over the screen. Long way down, isn't it? We'll get a shot with the bridge behind us. Oh, I'm bloody recording. So we've crossed over the bridge and now we're heading down to go to the other bridge, which is down there. Oh, steep steps.
They were steep steps.
Yeah. We were up there just 5 minutes ago. Wow. Sticky snacky spoon by the waterfall.
Pepperami.
Keep going. Did it? I'm at the steps.
Yeah, steps.
Not too bad.
Some of them are loose.
Not too bad.
Careful, hold on to the handrail.
But you do get a nice view of the waterfall and the bridge in the background. That is Ullswater in the distance. Some big ass trees. So this is the car park we were meant to be in this morning. Yeah, obviously that was absolutely freaking rammed. So we made it down.
We have?
Yeah, I think go to the toilet and then chill out and have a cup of tea.
Yeah, have a Smith's snack before making our way back up.
Yep.
Oh, I think it's strong.
That's nice strong. Quite nice strong.
That's my little mind.
There's your little muffin. Cheers. We will.
Happy days. Enjoy the rest of your time. Happy days.
There's been better days, isn't there? Uh-oh. Very nice. Oh, that's okay then. At least it's nice.
With nothing.
Mm.
We're going back up.
We're going back up.
Go back up.
So we've had a little rest, had a coffee.
What's the good-looking rescue man?
Yeah, the good-looking rescue man that you wanted to marry and have him save you, which he can, because I'll throw you in the waterfall and then you'll be saved. You won't have me anymore, but you'll be saved.
Selling little ducky race tickets. But yeah, nice little rest. Got to go up the massive cliff face.
But we're going to try and go a different route. There's two routes on either side of the waterfall, so we'll try a new one. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Sing with me, Shrek. Okay. The new route.
Oh, I want to go.
Get on. You okay? Yeah, I think this will take us back to the lower bridge. Yeah. That's what I think. go as far to say it's bloody warm. It's bastard warm. It will be when we get to the top.
Yeah.
I reckon this might be the newer build. There you go. See? Still got those bastard stairs, but it weren't going to be plain sailing all the way. Yeah. Saying that, it was quite busy over there when we were there. No. So yeah, back at the bastard steps. Did it. Oh, God.
Bastard stairs.
Sit for a moment. Oh.
Got a long way to go.
Yeah, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. We got this. All time on.
No, we don't.
Onward. Yeah, I think south side, you're going all the way up there, look.
Yeah.
No, I don't fancy that. Not today.
Not today, Satan. I just realised I've got like speak of the devil and it's God's day today. I'm not a devil worshipper, I swear.
It's Aussie. It's just Aussie.
It's just Aussie.
It's just Aussie being Aussie. Oh, have a little bridge. No, maybe.
Easily handicapable.
Paddling again. Oh, it just looks so cool and inviting. Oh, would be nice.
Cold
But alas. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Oh, more steps. I'm hoping that this is the highest point, and after this it's just down.
No.
You don't think?
No, we're still climbing.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, oh.
Some of these shoes are quite slippery.
Considering they're meant to be hiking.
Yeah, with the grips that they've got, but they're very slippery on the stone.
to that bridge we were earlier on the other side. Now we're on the right side of the waterfall. No, I'm not. That is a hell of a drop down there. Right. Don't look, you won't like it. No. Oh, we're getting there. Not much further, I don't think. And here we go. We're more or less here. This is where we were first thing this morning. Just on the other side. Oh, did it? Did it? Bit sweaty, but we did it. Chilling.
You can hear us.
Yeah, if you can hear us. Waterfall's pretty loud. We done it. Go back up.
Back up. Not as bad coming back up as it was going down.
No. So go down the right side and back up the left side.
Yeah.
There we go.
Back over.
Back to where we were. We've seen two drones today, haven't we?
We have, yeah, and they're flying. They must be getting some beautiful shots.
Yeah.
And it's not the waterfalls that we're scared of. It's
all the branches. So
the branches.
We're not confident enough to do it ourselves because we've only used it a couple of times, so we're still getting used to it. But these two were, especially the first guy, like he was whipping it all over the place. He was really precise, so he knew exactly what he was doing.
And it was a bigger drone. It was a professional drone.
So we're not going to do that with our drone just because I still want to take that chance. It gets clipped by a branch, falls into the waterfall, and that's it. Game over.
That's it. We've got loads of footage. Hope you've enjoyed already.
But I think we are going to head back up to the car park soon. We might get the drone out up there and just get some nice sweeping shots.
Yeah, so it
of
won't
what
be
we
of
can
the
see.
waterfalls, but it'll be of the
surrounding area, the hills, Ullswater maybe.
Yeah. So let's go back up the hill.
So I think this is as good a spot as any.
Yeah, we're out the way.
Yeah, no, not really any wind, barely anybody here. Come up.
Come on then.
Okay, so we've made it to Pooley Bridge.
Right, do not panic like we did.
Mm-hmm.
When you come to the actual Pooley Bridge, there's a car park right in front of you, round.
Yep. So you go round the corner, there's one to the right, that'll be full as well because it's small. And then there's one right in front of the one of the pubs, that'll also be full. If you keep following it round, basically go through the town, and as it looks like you're about to go out of the town, there'll be one on the left hand side, £4 parking all day. You come in there and it's a lot bigger. So
it's a lot bigger.
It's all of that. So there's a full field and there's like a little kiosk to go and pay, which we're about to go and do in a second.
And I don't think people know about that because they're panicking and all parking like silly buggers, like blocking people in and
so
things.
yeah, go to this one.
£4 all day as well.
So let's go pay it and wander around Pooley Bridge and get a pint, I think, because I'm desperate for one.
Let's get that victory pint.
So sun in, and is that a Jaguar type there? Might be.
There's loads of pubs here.
Yeah, there is a lot of pubs here. There's a few pubs I can see ahead. So we got Crown Inn over the road. And we got Pooley Bridge Inn right there, which is where we're having tea, isn't it? Yeah. Busy. Where do we want to go first? Want to walk down that way?
Yeah.
Gift shops, ice cream. So there was a food hall.
Yeah, food hall and beauties.
Do you want to go and have a look?
Yeah.
Come on then. So I think we're going to get a pint at the place we're having tea because we're close to tea now, aren't we?
Yeah. They're still queuing out for it.
Yeah. It's going to be a bit of a wait to get a drink. So we did manage to sit down, but I had to queue through, 10 minutes maybe?
Yeah, it's very busy.
It is very busy, but once you get in there, it's a quick service.
So yeah, this is where we're eating, so we're going to have a really quick pint.
Yeah, we've got time for a quick one before we go in. But it doesn't look too busy in their restaurant for us, so...
Cool.
Here's babe. Victory pint for our big waterfall walk.
Happy Easter.
Oh, that's good. That's the good stuff. Loads of salad.
Oh yeah.
Sarah's gone for a steak.
I know, on God's day.
I know, you were so saying you were going to get Sunday roast, and then suddenly the last innings changed your mind.
Sorry guys, let you down.
It's alright, because I am.
You've done it.
I've done it, I've gone for it.
It's ravenous. So ravenous you could barely see. Yum yum.
Creamy mouth. Lovely. Nice.
Oh yeah. Bloody beautiful.
And there's your new bridge. Not the same as the old bridge.
Yeah, I wonder what the old bridge was.
It was like an old stone medieval bridge.
Oh, and it was taken out completely.
Yeah, bridge got took out by the storm, which means some water must fucking come through here, something fierce if it was able to take that out.
Yeah. Heck, early.
Yeah.
Because got WrestleMania to watch.
WrestleMania Night 1 to watch tonight, WrestleMania Night 2 to watch tomorrow.
And looks like we've caught the sun, maybe not on this camera, but...
No, I'm a little bit red.
It's been a sunny old day.
Yeah, it has been a sunny day.
It's been a beautiful day today.
Yeah.
So, Aira Force and a bit of Pooley Bridge.
Yeah.
That was banging, Pooley Bridge.
Yeah, it's a nice place. It's got some nice pubs, nice lake and everything. It's just nice.
Yeah, it's like a little holiday.
If you wanted to spend the day chilling and just sinking some beers and some food and that,
there's loads of pubs
Pooley
there.
Bridge is the place to go, really.
And they had this really cute shop as well, and we did pick up some wares, but first...
We need to review.
So we had our tea at the Pooley Bridge Inn. I let the side down.
Kept saying you're going to go for a Sunday lunch. Said it from day dot. And then when push came to shove, you wanted that steak. And you had that steak.
I did have that steak.
It was a power move.
I had that ribeye steak with chippies and a big old bucket of salad. Oh my goodness. That was a banging steak dinner. Just the meat was so flavoursome and like char grilled, but not too much. Smoky. It was cooked to perfection. The chips were banging, like really good chips. And the salad was amazing. I fully cleared my plate. It was beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, I had the Sunday roast with beef. And I cleared my plate as well.
Yeah.
It was really, really nice. The meat was cooked really well. It was really nice and succulent. All the veg was really nice, including the carrots. I'm not really a big carrot fan, but
You ate some?
I ate them all. I ate
did.
every little bit of it. It came with potatoes and mash, which I very much appreciate.
Yeah,
and a big
roasts.
busted Yorkshire pudding.
Yes.
The only downside I've got for mine is that it didn't come with stuffing, but I know that's not necessarily traditional, but I'm a big fan of stuffing. And it wasn't just enough of gravy for me.
Yeah.
So I had to kind of like be frugal and make sure it lasted.
Yeah, I always think that places that do Sunday roast, you either give a jug, like a little jug when you bring it in, or have an option of paying like £1.50 for your own jug of gravy.
Yeah, which I would have paid for.
Because people like to drown their dinner in gravy.
Hello.
And yeah, when you just have like the little drizzle on it, sometimes it can take away from it.
It's not enough. Especially when you've got a big Yorkshire pudding that, without that...
It was dry. They didn't even fill it in, did they?
I mean, it's a good Yorkshire pudding. It was really nice, but because it's a massive one, it needs a little bit of gravy to kind of soak it up. A bit of moistness.
Moist maker.
So, for that reason, it's not going to be a chef's kiss from me. But it is going to be a 5-star.
Oh, is it going to be 5 star?
Yeah, it is still going to be a 5-star, because, like I say, even those bits that I didn't get, I still cleared my plate.
Yeah.
Like, every last bite, including things that I don't usually have. I can't really grumble with it. It was a really nice, reasonably priced. I think it was 17, 18 quid for the roast?
17 quid,
Yeah. I don't think that's pretty decent, to be honest.
My steak was £23, but for a ribeye, I think that's cheap.
Yeah, most ribeyes you're probably looking at 26, 27, maybe even 30.
On 30. And yeah, I had a pint of the Summit blonde. Oh, that went down a treat. That went down too easy.
Yeah, even I quite like the taste of it, actually.
It was beautiful. I would give it 5 star. It was a really nice restaurant. Had a really nice range, like variety. They had their own separate, like vegan and vegetarian. Good vibes. They were really busy, but the service really, really quick.
Yeah, they were really quick considering how busy they were.
Yeah, really good pub. There's loads of pubs there. But I think that one is a little hidden gem. People go to the ones that are on the lake.
On the lakeside, yeah.
No,
the
but
riverside.
Pooley Bridge Inn, highly recommend.
We also bought some wares.
I wouldn't say it's wares, really.
Only, well, sort of.
Yeah.
Well, we wanted some snacks for tonight for watching WrestleMania. We always got to have a little bit of snackage.
Yes.
And we went into that little shop that looks like small, but it's bigger inside and everything. It had loads of gin and rum and whiskey. It had loads of different craft beers. It had a food store upstairs that had loads of different bits. And we picked up a couple of bits that we don't see very often. It's quite rare that we see them. So we're like, well, I'm going to jump at the chance of that.
Yeah.
So for snackies tonight, we both picked up one of these. The Knickknacks lemon, scampi and lemon, because they're quite rare to come across these days. They don't come across very often.
Especially the big bags.
The ribbon
as well.
saucy don't come up very often either.
Yeah, the big bags, scampi lemon.
And I also bought something that I haven't seen in ages, but I used to absolutely love these whenever I saw them and got them.
T-bone
steak.
They're like little pop chips, aren't
they're
they?
so nice. So full of flavour.
And then I bought, because you know what I do.
Cumbrian tea.
So I've got the Yorkshire, I've got the Cornwall, I've got the Dorset, and now I've got the Cumbrian. So I don't know what the difference. Probably no difference.
I imagine there's certain infusions different to each one depending on the area.
Yeah, but I just like it. It's just a bit of nostalgia. I always, if I see a tea specific to the region that I'm in, I do like to get it. And then it wouldn't be Mason Memories, would it?
Without stocking up on a sour. Well, we've already got a fridge full.
Indeed. We even bought some up and we haven't had them.
No. Sitting in the fridge. Yeah. I'm not really interested in having them now, so I'm just going to take them back home with me.
No.
But I did buy a Lakes Brew Co. sour. I bought one last time we were here as well, which ended up being quite nice if I remember correctly. But this time I've gone for the Time Machine Ice Cream Raspberry Ripple Sour. It was $4.95. So that's not too bad for a sour.
No, not for a local brewery.
No. I do like the colour scheme and just the rainbow kind of ripple thing.
Cute.
Yeah, quite like it. So yeah, looking forward to trying that.
And then I bought the Crooked River Brewing Co. and mine is an apricot, mango and pineapple sour. Yum yum in my tum. And that was £4.50. I don't know if this is local. It is. It's Cumbrian. Yeah. So another local brew. That's all. We didn't buy any tea towels this holiday.
You got a magnet though.
I got a magnet, but no tea towels this time.
That's a shame, isn't it?
It is. Yeah.
Never mind. Can't get them all the time.
No, because I'm running out of space.
So that's the end of our Aira Force Waterfall walk video thing. We also obviously spent a little bit of time in Pooley Bridge as well. Yeah. We've got one more video coming after this where we do Rydal Caves, the stepping stones that are near it as well, and we're hoping to do the top of the summit, but we're going to see what it's like because it's apparently going to be quite miserable tomorrow. Yeah, the weather today is going to completely change tomorrow. It's going to be pissing it down. I've said I don't want to do it because it's pissing it down. I'm going to say let's see how far we get. That's what I'm going to say. He's pushing. But we have got Rydal Water, Rydal Caves, stepping stones. So we're just going to have a little wander around. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. So don't forget to, of course, like, subscribe and ding that notification bell to be notified whenever we do videos. Loads of Lake District content before this. We've also got one more video, as we've said, after this. And we've also got another load of Lake District stuff in a separate playlist. Find us on all of the socials, including TikTok, as well as Buy Me a Coffee. And if we don't see you before, we'll see you after, guys. Bye. Take care.